Happy Monday. If you're caught up with the vlogs, you know that I've been home alone for the past few days. My boyfriend decided to surprise his mum for her birthday, and so he flew all the way to Sicily, but it's coming back home today and I'm so excited. I'm sure if it was the other way around, he would have absolutely no problem in sleeping alone in a big bed, but I, on the other hand, had probably the worst sleep in these last few days. Very excited for him to come back and for me to have a proper night of sleep. Also, I forgot to show you guys in my last vlog, but before he left, he made me these very cute survival kit type of thing. He usually makes my morning tea every night so that I can have it ready for the morning, and since he was away, he basically pre-batched the sugar in like the little tea bag, and I don't know, it was just so cute. It wrapped it up very nicely so that in the morning all I had to do was open a little baggie and the sugar was already measured. I think it was so cute. His flight lands at 6:20, I believe, and it's definitely gonna take him an hour and a half with the National Express to get to Liverpool Street, and I'm debating whether I want to go there and wait for him or just chill and wait for him at home. It's super cold and windy outside, so I don't really know if I want to go, but I guess I'll figure that out. I do have my outing for the day already planned. I sadly got a flat tire, so I need to take my bike to the shop and fix that, and since I'm in the area, they're probably gonna take about like 30 minutes I think to fix my bike. I might go to Poundland, Savers, Morrison, all the usual shops. Before we go, let me fix myself a little coffee. Cheers. I'm all ready to go. I'm wearing the same tracksuit that I got in my last vlog. I've been living in it. It's so good and so comfy. And I'm pairing it with this denim jacket from Primark. I don't think I'm going to be able to bring you guys along because I do indeed need to carry the bike. Again, flat tire. But if I end up buying any cute bits, I'll definitely show you once we get back home. It's a while later. My boyfriend's flight ended up having a bit of a delay, so we had a bit of a change of plan. I'm no longer going to Liverpool Street. Instead, I'm staying home. It's actually on the way here right now, and my Uber Eats order just got delivered. Guys, I'm so excited for this meal. We're gonna have a little hot pot moment, and with this weather, that is just perfect. Here we have it. Oh my god, that looks so good.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Happy Wednesday, welcome back to the vlog. I've got something very excited planned for today, but before we get into that, my boyfriend, as you guys saw, came back from Sicily and I got a few bits to show you guys. If you're caught up with the vlogs, you know that my sister-in-law got married this summer and they had their honeymoon in America, and of course they got us a few bits and I'm so excited. I mean, how pretty. I was obsessed with getting a dream catcher in like 2015 I think, and I finally got one and it was handmade and it's just so perfect. Then they also gave us this very cute New York inspired shot glass, and if you remember, before I found out that these were also a thing in the UK, I asked her to get me some liquid IVs, so here they are. Okay, I got two more things to show you guys. The first one is from Callie Lee and it was sent at my home address. Okay. You guys know how obsessed I'm with their anti-imperfection serum. I got selected to test the new version of the serum. It is such a perfect travel size as well. And last but not least, I think you guys are all familiar with my sunglasses drama. I think we finally got to the end of it though. First thing first, I got my proper sunglasses case. I was quite upset about the fact that they didn't give me one, but I guess after they fucked up my order the first time around, they were kind of due to give me one. Here they are. They're no longer blue on the inside, which I'm very happy about, but I am a little bit upset because I don't know when I'll be able to wear sunglasses again, because again, I live in the UK, the weather's been quite miserable lately, but if we ever get another sunny day, I'll be prepared. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Like I said at the beginning, we're about to do something very exciting, and that to me is getting on the Hammersmith and going to Ikea. Of course, you're coming with. This is not very Sabrina coated. Oh my god, how cute is this little number? I don't need it, but I definitely want it. This is very much up my alley. Oh my god, that was intense. So I just got back. I didn't really end up vlogging that much when I was out and about. I'm definitely becoming camera shy, which is crazy because I've been doing this for a while. So if there's something I shouldn't be, it's camera shy in public, but oh well. I did end up getting quite a few bits that I'm about to share with you guys. Thank god I brought my little trolley thingy that I got from Primark with me, because that thing low-key saved my life. If you live in the area, you know that Hammersmith is pretty popular for its charity shops, and I picked up this little dress. I'm obsessed with the color, the shape, and it was only £10. Definitely such a bargain. I got it from Crisis, and fun fact, I'm pretty sure I tried the same dress on in Islington. It was either the same one or like the same style one, I'm not sure, but I remember trying it on, and it's definitely quite rare to find the same item in the charity shop twice, so I took that as a sign. I think the dress is super cute. Then moving on to Primark, I got a few bits from here, starting with these cute R-shaped tights. I thought these were super cute and they were only £3. I then got this very cute PJ set for £7. It comes with a t-shirt and long pants. I just thought it was adorable. And then last but not least, I got these very cute mushroom candles. And let me just say, it smells so good. Plus, I'm literally obsessed with the little shape, and I can for sure reuse it once the candle runs out. Moving on with candles, I got quite a few from TK Maxx, and I'm low-key a bit embarrassed because I don't really need this many candles, but their fall candles were finally in stock, and I just have a thing for fall scented things. Starting off with this cute little one. How pretty is the top? I then got this autumn apple one. If you're an OG fans, you know that my favorite candle of all time is from this brand right here, and it's the caramel cider. I could not find that one, but I did find this honey butter one, and it does smell pretty good. And then lastly, I also got this one. It does smell amazing, and I'm excited to reuse a little jar. Then moving on to Ikea, I ended up getting this massive frame. I was originally gonna get the small one, and then I was like, oh, maybe the medium one is okay. But then for some reason, I decided, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna get the large one. I don't think I realized that I also need to be carrying that home, but that's a different story. So I ended up getting this massive frame thingy, and I do have an idea of what I want to do with it, although I did not measure the space before I got the frame, so hopefully I didn't fuck it up by getting the large one. I also got a few more bits for this project, so let me show you. Bear in mind, I don't really know how any of these are called or how I need to pronounce them. I then also got this cute little chair, which I also think I'm going to use for my project. Lastly, I got a small and a medium frame. I low-key have no idea if the project that I have in mind is gonna work out. Worst case scenario, I can always return anything that I don't use. Talking about returns though, I am quite annoyed at myself because I totally forgot to bring with me the bits that I had to return, and the return window expires tomorrow. So this is the spot where I was hoping to put the frame. I'm mainly looking for a better organization for my bags because this is not doing it for me anymore. Now question is, how do I put this up? The lighting is terrible, but it is what it is. Okay. So here's the instruction. My only concern is I don't really want to drill a hole in the wall. I think I figured it out. I saved you the trouble, but here she is. It is very high on the wall. We might take it a little bit down, but for now I don't mind it. Now let's decorate it. I think I'm gonna mess with it for the rest of the night. I'm also not too sure whether or not I want to put coats in here as well, but I think it looks pretty good. This is what we have so far. It's been a while since I picked up this vlog. It's currently the following Monday and I'm about to go to my yoga class. I'm so excited because if you know, you know, my yoga instructor went on holiday for like a month. Today's the first day that she's back and I'm so excited to have a good stretch and relax. You guys know the drill, you're coming with, so let me quickly show you guys what I'm wearing and then we're gonna head out. Here we have it. My hoodie is from Hollister. You guys know that I love this one. I think the roses on the sleeve are such a nice touch. And they do match perfectly with my little set from H&M. As you guys saw, I was wearing this cute little skirt. And this is the matching top. Oh my god, the sun right now is crazy. It's the following day. I thought I'd quickly pop in here and end this vlog. Yoga yesterday was definitely what I needed. It feels so good to be back and low-key it felt very special as well because the fall equinox happened as we were doing yoga, and walking back home I definitely felt the change. I got used to walking back just with a hoodie. Now I definitely need to put my coat on as well, and also the day is so much shorter now. I low-key was walking back home and it was like not even 8 and it was kind of dark outside already, so that made me a bit sad, but I've got a lot of fall candles to come back home to, so it's all good. Anyway, that being said, really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what video you like to see next, and if you're new to my channel, of course, don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Away the way I've done before. You know I've always tried to get myself out of